maglatap ta ha.
Sige, tulungan na to.
Bali, uy, ubos dapat. Paubos lagi dapat.
Dili po.
Diba, paubos dapat.
Ano na lang.
Okay, taro ng lingkod. Okay. Okay. Ayun, ay, sana pakita. Okay, so, good evening.
Good
Ay,
evening.
good afternoon, 3. Dili ito mag-good evening. Ito, gabi ang remedial. Kana.
Sir, medium.
3, 2, 1, go. So, good evening, Andy.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so for today, I will be your remedial teacher, and the topic for our remedial session is all about those common mispronounced words by the Filipinos. And I have a question for you before we start our remedial session. Have you ever been misunderstood because of the way you pronounce words? Nakatry na baka nga na mali og sabot kay tungod ra sa imong pag-pronounce sa mga words?
Oh.
Yes. So because of that, we will going to address those because as Filipinos, it is hard for us to speak the letter F, P, B, and V. Okay, so that's our topic for our media session for today. And now, before we formally start, or before I teach you on how to read those, I have here a tongue twister. Okay, tongue twister are sentences or a sentence that you're going to read in a fast pace or pinakalit nga paspas nga pag-read. Okay, so you have to read this after I flash it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ben borrowed Vicky's very big violin.
Again, 3, 2, 1, go.
Ben borrowed Vicky's very big violin.
Okay, next, before that, I'll ask you, what word do you think is the hardest to pronounce?
Borrowed.
Borrowed. Okay, can you please repeat after me? Borrowed. Borrowed.
Borrowed.
Okay, now let us proceed to the next part. 3, 2, 1, go.
Fred's father fried 4 fresh fish for Friday's food.
Faster. 3, 2, 1, go.
Fred's father fried 4 fresh food.
Again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Fred's father fried 4 fresh fish for Friday's food.
Okay. So in this tongue twister number 2, what do you think is the hardest to pronounce?
Fresh.
Again?
Fresh.
Fresh. Okay. Okay, let's dig in later. Okay. To form, can you please repeat after me?
Okay.
Fresh.
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 Borrowed.
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 Fresh.
Fresh.
Okay. Notice my teeth, my tongue, and my lips. Okay. Borrowed.
Borrowed.
Very good. Fresh.
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 Ay, lagi katawa seryoso ta diri.
Ikaw na yung katawa.
Okay. Fresh.
Fresh.
Okay. Thank you for reading those tongue twisters. Now, I have here a words. Okay? That is somewhat has the same pronunciation but they have different initials. But I'm going to pronounce you this device. This device, no, not device, but a tool for us to help in pronouncing the words correctly. So I have here a mirror, and you're going to look at your own lips so that it is easy for you to pronounce those words. I have here a words that you're going to read in front of the mirror. The first word, the first two words are very,
Very,
very.
very,
Again, 3, 2, 1, go.
very, very,
Again, look at the mirror and notice your lips, tongue, lips, tongue, and your teeth. 3, 2, 1, go.
very, very,
Very good. Next, I have these two words, but,
but,
vat,
but,
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 vat.
but,
Okay, say it in front of the mirror. 3, 2, 1, go.
but, but,
But,
but, but,
very good. How about this one? Fine,
fine,
vine.
vine,
Again, say it in front of the mirror.
fine, vine,
Again,
fine, vine,
very good. How about this one? Fun,
fun,
pan.
pan,
Fun,
fun,
pan.
pan,
Okay, say it in front of the camera.
fun, pan.
Very good. So, yeah. Let us now proceed on the proper pronunciation of the first or the four letters. You're going to read after me. You're going to look at my mouth, and you're going to follow it. Okay? Let's start with the word F.
F,
F.
F,
Okay, say it in front of the mirror. Let's do it. Let's do it together. 3, 2, 1, go.
F,
Again.
F,
Again.
F,
Okay, next. P.
P,
P.
P,
P.
P,
Next. B.
B,
B.
B,
B.
B,
Next. V.
V,
V.
V,
V.
V,
Very good. How about
V,
V?
V,
How about
V,
the B?
B,
B.
B,
B.
B.
Good. And yeah, that's all for our remedial session for today. And can you give me a word that starts with letter F that you think is the hardest to pronounce? What word do you think that starts with letter F? Any word. Or no, not the hardest, but just the hard word for you.
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel.
Ferris.
You pronounce the word F into P. You say Ferris wheel. You instead of Ferris wheel, you will say Ferris wheel. Okay. Can you please repeat after me? Fe, fe,
Fe,
Ferris,
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 Ferris
Ferris,
wheel. Again, 3, 2, 1, go. Ferris
Ferris,
wheel.
wheel,
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Say it in front of the mirror. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ferris wheel,
No, Ferris, Ferris.
Ferris,
Nah, very good. Ferris.
Ferris,
3, 2, 1, go.
Ferris,
Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel.
Very good. Now, let's have the letter P. Do you think is the
P.
hardest to pronounce?
Pigmentation.
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 Pigmentation. Okay, so can you please let's pronounce it together. Pig,
Pig,
men,
man,
tay,
tay,
shen.
Sean.
Again. Pig,
Pig,
men,
man,
tay,
tay,
shen.
shin.
Pigmen,
Pigmentation.
tation, pigmentation.
Pigmentation.
Very Good. How about the letter F? Ano? F, the letter B.
B. Brought. Brought.
Brought.
Brought.
Brought.
Brought.
B. So the form your plaster your mouth into B. Go sa English.
Matagubog diri dong.
Okay. So let us now proceed to letter B. You said brought. Okay. Br.
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 Brought.
Brought.
No, not
Ay.
broth. No. Brought.
Brought.
Broth. You cannot
Broth.
say broth because the spelling there is BROGHT. So when you say the, that's the word must be spelled TH. But the broth, the H is is in the front of T. Okay. Can you please pronounce it once again? Broth.
Brought.
Broth.
Brought.
Broth.
Brought.
I emphasize the
Broth.
letter T and the B. Okay. Broth.
Brought.
Broth.
Brought.
Murag burat. Murag burat. Di ba ito nag-brot ka kay murag burat?
Dilisan. Yan sa mukha ni mo. Okay.
Balik.
Brought.
Murag burat. Sige. Bigaon ako mangho. Okay, 3. Let's have the broth. 3, 2, 1, go. Broth. Ayaw katawo. Yun kahapit at mahuman.
Pizza. Pa na mo mo gingon ang word.
Bobo, makagod. Balik. 3, 2, 1, go. Broth.
Brought.
Broth.
Brought.
I like katawo. Istiwan ka, oy, giatay. Pagtarong na yung balbing burat ka karon. Balik. Tulas akong likod. 3. Okay, let's pronounce the word. 3, okay. Okay, let us pronounce the word brought. 3, 2, 1. Lahi na lang ang word, big atay man oy. Lahi nga word. Okay, maglahi tag word ha. Okay, give me a word that starts with letter B that you think is hard to pronounce.
Ano tayo? Barrel.
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 Barrel? Okay.
Barrel.
Let's have ba.
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 Barrel.
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 Ay, katawa. Pistig eh. Mahuman na to. Pagdali na diyo. 3, 2. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Barrel.
Barrel.
Okay. Now, let us proceed with the a word that starts with letter V.
V.
Okay. Give me a word that starts with letter V.
Baseball bat.
V, not
Ay.
B.
Bicycle.
Kasi bicycle. B man ang bicycle.
Bicycle. Bicycle. Ay ha? Vehicle.
Say vehicle. Bubo. Ang B. Oy, dili. B.
Ay. Yung nasa V-E niya. C-H-I-E-L-Y.
Wala yun.
Wala.
Bicycle. B-I na.
Vehicle.
Say vehicle. Vaseline na lang, B. Vaseline. Okay. Okay, now. Sige, tao mo din. Okay, now let us proceed with the letter V. Okay, give me a word that you think hard to pronounce.
Vaseline.
Vaseline. Okay. Repeat after me. Va.
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 Se.
Se.
Lean.
Lean.
Vaseline.
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 Okay, say it in front of the mirror. 3, 2, 1, go.
Vaseline.
Good. So, I think you already know how to pronounce those words. And, yeah. Okay, I want you in our next session, you will going to pronounce those words. Are you going to give me another word? Okay? In our next remedial session, you're going to give me another word that starts with letter F, P, B, and V. Okay? And now for your assignment, you're going to read this one, these tongue twisters, and you're going to read it aloud in front of your classmates. Okay? In our next meeting. I hope you already know. I hope you already know how to pronounce those words, and I think you can slay it. Okay? So, for now, goodbye and thank you.
Goodbye and thank you, Sir Gian.
Okay, goodbye.
Nukal
Ami
ra ba
daw.
ko?